Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. If you saw my last video, you saw where I broke one of my snowshoes. Now if I didn't have any cordage on me, it would have been kind of hard to hobble back all the way home with a broken shoe. So what I've done is I put together this small little repair kit. Just fits in a small tin, and anyway, that can fit in your pocket, like a jacket pocket or in your backpack, whatever. And I just want to show you what's in it. So first of all, we have this razor blade knife, and that single edge blade just slides out like that, and it gives you a razor sharp cutting surface. So we have that. Another thing we have in here is a tiny little multi-tool. Multi-tool pliers. And it has several little tools inside as well. There's a knife blade here. Now these are notoriously dull. So anyway, I'll have to work on sharpening that up. But until then, I have a razor sharp blade here. This also has a small Phillips screwdriver on this side. And on this side, we have a file. And a slotted screwdriver. So really, the item that's of interest here is the pliers, because we're going to use that on the wire that I've got in here. It's buried down towards the bottom, so anyway, we'll just continue taking stuff off the top. This is some mason line. It doesn't stretch, and it's made out of nylon, and there's 12 feet of it here, so this would be like 4 yards or 4 meters. And then I've got 12 of these zip ties. These are the zip ties that I used in my shelter. Anyway, these could be used to fasten anything together as well. So there's 12 of those in here. And here I've got some duct tape wrapped on a card, and it's about another 12 yards again, so another 3 meters or 4 meters, and it's nice and compact. And here we have some coated wire. Now this is it's very light wire. It's probably thinner than regular snare wire, like rabbit snare wire. I'm not sure what the gauge is, but it would be around 18 or 20 for sure, because it's quite thin. Anyway, if I'm going to be wrapping things up with wire, I'm going to need a pair of pliers to cut the wire and also to twist the ends or whatnot. So there's 6 feet of this wire. Yeah, 6 feet. So 2 meters. And then on the bottom here, I've got 12 feet of paracord. Now I didn't fuse the ends here because I want to be able to pull those out individually. So with a bit of thought and planning, you can have a lot of items on you, ready to go in case of an emergency where you have to repair something, like a set of snowshoes. Now I've got to put all this back into the tin. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me, and we'll catch you in the next one. This is Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.